Hello guys! Welcome back to a new video of the Travel Insider. Let's start our journey through the colorful traditions and celebrations of Rio de Janeiro. In this video, we'll delve into the heart of this vibrant city and discover its captivating traditional festivals that bring people together in joyous revelry throughout the year. Our first stop takes us to the world-famous Carnival, an extravaganza of music, dance, and elaborate costumes. Carnival in Rio de Janeiro is a spectacle like no other, with parades featuring stunning floats, lively samba dancers, and infectious rhythms that fill the streets. It is a celebration of Brazilian culture and heritage, with various samba schools competing for the title of the best parade. The preparation for Carnival starts months in advance, with intense rehearsals and costume designs. During the festivities, the entire city is transformed into a sea of vibrant colors and joyful energy. From the fervor of Carnival, we move on to another beloved celebration known as Festa Junina. Celebrated in June, Festa Junina brings the charm of Brazilian countryside festivities to the city. This festival honors Saint John the Baptist and pays homage to rural traditions with its lively atmosphere. During Festa Junina, the streets are adorned with colorful decorations, and participants dress up in traditional clothing, such as checkered shirts, straw hats, and pigtails. The festival features live music, including the sounds of the accordion and triangle, as well as the popular quadrilla dance, a traditional Brazilian square dance. Attendees indulge in delicious traditional foods, such as pamonha, a corn-based dish, and canjica, a sweet corn pudding. Festa Junina is a celebration of Brazilian folklore, flavors, and joyful camaraderie. Now, let's delve into Festa de Manhã, a New Year's Eve celebration that pays homage to the goddess of the sea. This deeply rooted Afro-Brazilian tradition brings together elements of spirituality and beachside festivities. Devotees dress in white and gather along the coast, carrying offerings of flowers, miniature boats, and other symbolic items. These offerings represent their wishes, intentions, and gratitude to Manhã. The atmosphere is filled with spirituality, live music, and the rhythmic beats of traditional drums that echo the connection between land and sea. The celebration culminates with the devotees casting their offerings into the ocean, accompanied by prayers and songs. Festa de Manhã is a unique cultural experience that showcases the fusion of African and Brazilian traditions. Beyond these iconic festivals, Rio de Janeiro hosts a myriad of other traditional celebrations throughout the year. One such celebration is Festa de São Jorge, a tribute to Saint George, the patron saint of Rio de Janeiro. This festival takes place on April 23rd and is marked by vibrant processions, live music, and festive gatherings. Participants dress in traditional attire, with many wearing red, the color associated with St. George. The streets come alive with the sounds of music and cheers as the procession makes its way through the city, honoring the saint and celebrating the city's cultural heritage. Another notable event is Lavagem du Bonfim, a religious procession held in January, where devotees wash the stairs of the Bonfim Church with scented water. This tradition combines faith and tradition, as participants follow the route from the Conceição de Praia Church to the Bonfim Church, engaging in prayers and rituals along the way. The procession is accompanied by the mesmerizing sounds of traditional music and the sight of devotees dressed in white, creating a captivating spectacle of devotion and celebration. As we conclude our exploration of Rio de Janeiro's traditional festivals and celebrations, we invite you to immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage of this remarkable city. Whether it's the grandeur of Carnival, the charm of Festa Junina, the spiritual ambience of Festa de Immerse, or the vibrancy of Festa de São Jorge and Lavagem du Bonfim, Rio de Janeiro offers a tapestry of experiences that will leave a lasting impression. Narrator, thank you for joining us on this immersive journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel and cultural content. Until next time, Boa Viagem.